Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to delete your Gmail account. So let's get started. First thing first, note that deleting your Gmail account is irreversible and you'll lose access to all associated Google services and data. And if you still want to delete it, then tap on the Gmail account or Gmail app on your mobile device and simply tap on your profile icon on the top right corner and tap on the Manage Your Google Account option available there. After you tap on the Manage Your Google Account, you will see a various options available in your Google services. Then simply tap on the Data and Privacy option available there. Then all you have to do is scroll down till you find the Delete Your Google Account option inside it. Scroll down. Then once you find the Delete Your Google Account option, tap on it. Now, in order to delete your Google account, you'll have to sign in to your Google account again. Now you may need to enter your password again for security purposes. Now after that, on the next page you will see a list of Google services associated with your account. Google will provide information about what deleting your Gmail account entails. Make sure you understand the consequences such as losing access to emails, contacts, and other associated services. To confirm the deletion, you'll need to enter or tap on the Delete Account option. After confirming the deletion request, you'll no longer be able to access your emails, contacts, or any other data associated with the deleted account. So, if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching.